As a clean and flexible energy carrier that can be produced from water, green hydrogen is viewed today as one of the keys to a complete energy transition. Indeed, green hydrogen offers new perspectives for renewable energies by allowing the storage and transport of green electrons. Its massive and competitive production will therefore considerably accelerate the decarbonization of the economy and limit the impact of global warming. A French independent energy producer for more than 30 years, Qair is a renewables pioneer. In keeping with the group's tradition of innovation, we aim today at leading the development of green hydrogen production projects. Throughout the world, we harness energy from the wind, the sun, and water. Across Europe, Asia, South America, and Africa, we develop, finance, build, and operate renewable power plants with a bespoke and flexible approach. Through the project HyDoc, Qair is developing in France a first green hydrogen production unit by water electrolysis, which will produce thousands of tons of green hydrogen by 2030. Jointly owned by the French agency for the energy transition, HyDoc will produce, store, transport, and commercialize green hydrogen on an industrial scale in a massive and competitive way. Qair will produce such hydrogen by electrolysis, a process using electricity from renewable resources to split water into hydrogen, H2, and oxygen. Following its multi-local vision and in parallel with its first French project, Qair is now developing projects tailored to Brazil and to Iceland that will prevent the emission of millions of tons of CO2 into the atmosphere. In Brazil, Liberdade will produce hundreds of thousands of tons of green hydrogen per year using energy from Qair's offshore wind complex project in the state of Ceará. A second production plant, Swapai, is also under development in the state of Pernambuco. In Iceland, with the project Iceland, Qair is designing a plant to be built near Reykjavik, which will provide substantial amounts of hydrogen, drawing on the country's significant wind and hydraulic power potential. Overall, Qair targets 10 gigawatts of green hydrogen installed capacity by the year 2030, generated by its own wind and solar photovoltaic parks. Our ambition is to continue accelerating the energy transition by massively producing green hydrogen.